Okay, I need to warm you up a bit, I think. Thank you so much for coming. First of all, I'd also like to thank the people who've organised this, particularly Nicola, who's done a lot of organisation. But thanks very much to the MRC Centre for Regenerative Medicine, to the Roslin Institute, the University of Edinburgh, the MRC, and the BBSRC, who have basically put this event on and have been absolutely vital for much of the research that you're going to hear about. Quick thing, I believe, I always have to do this. The fire exits are here and here. If you have a phone on you, please turn it to silent, but please feel free to tweet or Facebook, you know, any of these things. These are our hashtags. That's the Twitter, whatever, you know. There may be Pokemon in here. Are there Pokemon? Anyone found a Pokemon? Is there like a Dolly Pokemon at all? There should be. There definitely should be. So we're going to have a fantastic evening. We're going to hear from our three incredible speakers, Professor Ian Wilmot, Shinya Yamanaka, and also from Angelika Schnieke. And they're going to tell you about their research. There'll be a chance to ask them questions. And then at the end, we're going to have a discussion about some of the things that their work, their stories have inspired in you. My name is Dr. Kat Arney. I'm a science writer and broadcaster. I have just written a book all about how our genes work, called Herding Hemingway's Cats. I'm contractually obliged to plug this everywhere I go. My hairdresser was unimpressed. So yes, if you'd like to find out a bit more about how our genes actually work, what is all this genetic stuff, please do check it out. It's available from all good bookshops and also Amazon. This is, I guess, a kind of birthday party to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Dolly the sheep. I was in my first year at university when the news broke about Dolly. And, you know, it was a time of lots of tie-dye and Pims. I was at the University of Cambridge, and it was very well known there that Professor Sir John Gurdon, he was there. He was the first person to clone an animal. He cloned frogs. And then this news broke, and there was this iconic picture of a sheep on the front of the journal Nature, and we were all like, whoa, this is big, this is amazing. And that's what inspired me to become a developmental geneticist, a developmental biologist, and then to become a writer and broadcaster working in genetics, because this is big stuff. This is really important. And for my final year degree exam, I had 3 hours to write one essay, and the essay I chose was, given that we can now clone animals, should we give the green light to human cloning? I don't think I figured it out in 3 hours, and I certainly haven't figured it out 20 years later. So we're going to hear from our incredible speakers, as I said, but before we do, and this is a little bit of whimsy, can we sing happy birthday to Dolly? Is that going to, because she's here, sort of, in that we're going to sing happy birthday to a dead sheep, but she is dead. I'm sorry to break that to you, if you didn't know. But can we do that? Is that going to... Oh, right, okay. Right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dolly. Happy birthday to you. That was beautiful. Let's give her a round of applause.